Hi George, welcome back to your English classes. I'm your favorite teacher, teacher of Lenin Castro, and today is Thursday, March 18th, 2021. And what we are going to see today are the preposition of place. These prepositions tell us where is the thing or well, the thing or place that we are looking for. For example, we have here the first one that is in, and you can see the cat inside the box. So when we say where is the cat is in the box, meaning that he's inside the box. We have on, that it's over the box. And we can ask, where is the cat? And we will say it's on the box, that meaning that he's over the box, he's walking over the box. We also say under means that the box is over the cat, meaning that we have the cat here and the box here, being under. And so we can ask, where is the cat? And we'll say the cat is over the box. We also have in front of, meaning that it's in front. Like we have the box here and here's the cat, meaning that we can ask, where is the cat? And we will say the cat is in front of the box. We also have behind, that is in the back. We have the box and here's the cat. Here's the cat and he's behind the box. Next to, we have the cat here, and next to we have the box. Above it's on the air, not in the on the box, not on the box, above. Below, it's like above. We have below, we have the box here, and below we have the cat. Between, it's between. We have box, and here the cat. Between, on the left, meaning that he's on the left. Opposite, that we have something here. For example, I'm opposite the computer. I'm right in front of the computer, but opposite. And we have on the right, meaning that the cat is on the right. Let's see if we can enter these exercises. The cat is sitting. The cat is sitting. Where is the cat? Is this the cat? No, this is not the cat. The cat is this one. The cat is sitting in what? What preposition are we going to use? Between. So the cat is not between the chair. Under. No, the cat is not under the chair. Near. No, the cat is close. It's in the chair. In the chair. Do we say in? No, we cannot say in because it's not inside of the chair. Yeah, the answer is on because he's sitting on the chair. Let's see. The books are. Where are the books? Is this the book? No, that's not the book. The books are these ones, the yellow and blue. The books are. Do we say near? No. We said on because they are on the table. The shoes. Where are the shoes? Shoes. Oh, here are the shoes. The shoes are in what, George? It's between the table? No. In the table? No, they are not inside of the table. On the table? No, they are not on the table. We say under. Remember, under meaning that they are down. The clock is, here is a clock, table. You know this one because it's like the book. The books are, the clock is on the table. The dog is sitting. We have the dog here, and he is what, inside? I think he's inside, right? So if the dog is inside, what we put? On? No, we say in the box. And the table is, what is the table? The chair and the box. We have the chair here and the box here. So this will be, the table will be between the chair and the box. So the chair is near, right? Cerca, near the table. And that's it, George, for today. Yeah, this is just a review or just a presentation of what we're going to see next week. So thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow and have a very good day and a very good weekend. Goodbye.